Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot how to fix PS5 not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, check power supply. Ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the PS5 and a working outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's supplying power. Number 2, perform a power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the PS5 and the outlet. Wait for at least 30 seconds. Reconnect the power cord and press the power button to turn on the console. Number 3. Manually reboot. If the PS5 is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to force a shutdown. After the console powers off, press the power button again to turn it on. Number 4. Check for overheating. Ensure the PS5 is in a well-ventilated area. If the console feels hot, allow it to cool down before attempting to power it on again. Number 5. Boot in safe mode. Turn off the PS5 completely. Press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Connect the controller via USB and select Restart PS5 from the menu. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.